In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create UI card kit in Figma. By the end, you'll have a polished set of reusable card components you can drop into any design, saving time and keeping your work consistent. Start by heading to figma.com. You can do this in your browser or the desktop app. The interface and tools are the same. Once you're in, you'll be on the home screen where you can access files, drafts, and resources. Next, open the community section. This is Figma's built-in library of files and plugins shared by designers around the world. It's a great place to start when you want a solid, well-structured foundation rather than building everything from scratch. In the community search bar, type UI card kit. You'll see a variety of options, some minimal, some with imagery and badges, and others built specifically for product lists, dashboards, or marketing. Take a moment to scan the previews and read a few descriptions. Look for kits that show clear component structure, use auto layout, and include multiple states like hover or selected. Recent updates and clear documentation are also good signs of quality. When a template looks right for your needs, click into it. On the details page, review what's included and check the notes from the creator so you understand how the components are organized. This helps you anticipate how easy it will be to adapt the kit to your brand. Click Open in Figma to bring the file into your workspace. It will appear in your drafts with all pages and components intact so you can explore before making changes. Now it's time to customize. Start with brand alignment, update color styles and typography to match your design system. If the file includes styles, remap them so the entire kit updates consistently. Tweak spacing and corner radii to match your UI language. Work at the component level. Open the main components and adjust elements like image masks, icon sizes, and text constraints so cards resize gracefully. If the kit uses auto layout, verify padding, gaps, and alignment so content remains balanced as text grows. Create or refine variants for different states, default, hover, pressed, selected, and for size options like compact and spacious. Keep naming consistent and descriptive so you can find components quickly. Finally, test cards in a sample frame with real content and different screen widths to confirm responsiveness and readability. That's it. You've sourced a solid UI card kit from Figma community, opened it in Figma, and tailored it to your brand and workflow. Save your file, reuse the components across projects, and enjoy faster, more consistent design.